What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I often eat toast and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink a cup of coffee.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I take a shower in the morning.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave for work around 8:30 a.m.
Do you walk or drive to work?
I drive to work.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes me about 30 minutes.
What do you do when you arrive at work?
I check my emails first.
Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes, I take short breaks to relax.
When do you usually have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Do you bring lunch from home or eat out?
I usually bring lunch from home.
What do you typically have for lunch?
I often have a salad or a sandwich.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you go straight home after work?
Sometimes I stop at the gym before going home.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most nights.
What do you usually cook for dinner?
I often cook pasta or stir-fry vegetables.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV after dinner.
What do you usually watch?
I like to watch dramas or documentaries.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read for about 30 minutes before bed.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading novels and self-help books.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I usually sleep well.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I wake up around 9 a.m. on weekends.
Do you have a different routine on weekends?
Yes, my weekends are more relaxed.
What do you usually do on Saturday mornings?
I often go for a walk or run errands.
Do you spend time with family on weekends?
Yes, I spend time with family and friends.
Do you go out to eat on weekends?
Sometimes, I go out for lunch or dinner.
How do you usually relax on weekends?
I like to watch movies or read a book.
Do you do house chores on the weekend?
Yes, I usually clean the house on Saturdays.
Do you have a hobby that you enjoy?
Yes, I enjoy painting in my free time.
Do you like to go shopping on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for groceries or clothes.
Do you plan your week in advance?
Yes, I try to plan my week on Sundays.
Do you enjoy cooking or eating out more?
I enjoy cooking, but eating out is nice too.
How do you prepare for the next day?
I set my clothes out and prepare my bag.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Yes, I check my phone one last time before bed.
Do you meditate or do yoga?
Yes, I meditate for a few minutes each day.
What time do you start working in the morning?
I start working around 9 a.m.
Do you work from home or in an office?
I work in an office most of the time.
Do you prefer working in the morning or evening?
I prefer working in the morning when I'm more focused.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Yes, I sometimes listen to soft music while working.
How do you manage your time throughout the day?
I use a to-do list and prioritize tasks.
Do you eat snacks during the day?
Yes, I have snacks like fruits or nuts.
How do you relax after a long day?
I like to take a bath or watch TV.
Do you check social media often?
Yes, I check it a few times a day.
Do you talk to friends or family every day?
Yes, I try to stay in touch with them daily.
Do you like to travel on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy taking short trips on weekends.